Alpha Juliet Whiskey Lahore.
Go ahead sir, Alpha Juliet Whiskey.
Just squawk 1620, climb 3000 feet, report overhead.
1620, climb 3000, call you overhead, Alpha Juliet Whiskey.
Alpha Juliet Whiskey, go ahead.
So confirm, 18 left on you?
Hey farm, but you can carry out an approach for 36 right, and then break off.
So we request in that case, VOR DME Alpha, 18 left, Alpha Juliet Whiskey.
Roger, approved, 18 left, report overhead, proceeding outbound.
Roger, so call you overhead, proceeding outbound, Alpha Juliet Whiskey. Right and wait. 18 left.
Roger, continue approach for 18 left. Contact our 181 for touching roll, switch off transponder and office.
Switching off transponder, 1181, thank you, Alpha Juliet Whiskey.
Alpha Bravo Papa.
Bravo Assalamualaikum, Alpha Papa, Bravo Juliet Whiskey, establish final, turn in 18 left.
Walaikum Assalam, Alpha Juliet Whiskey, surface wind 12010 knots, caution for birds, run the 18 left, clear touch.
Wind caution copied, 18 left, clear touching, Alpha Juliet Whiskey.
Tower, Assalamualaikum, Alpha Papa, Alpha Yankee Tango.
Alpha Yankee Tango, Walaikum Assalam, remain in water.
Stop it.
Alpha Bravo Cubic, confirm it. Cessna coming for 18 left in sight.
Not yet, sir. Alpha Bravo Quebec.
Roger, extend downwind, report left base, runway 18 right for long final.
Will report your left base, runway 18 right for long final as a document.
Sir, record your right base. Tower Alpha Bravo Quebec, visual with the traffic.
Roger, adjust accordingly, report final, runway 18 right.
Call the final, runway 18 right, Alpha Bravo Quebec.
Walton, report to way.
Turn right, direct to Walton, call 0, Alpha 0 close.